Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat in our super fun and stretchy rubber hose cartoon style. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. It really helps the channel grow and supports more fun tutorials like this one. So grab your pencils, markers, or tablet, get comfy, and let's turn this legendary ninja into a goofy retro cartoon character. Let's start with the eyes, giving Sub-Zero a much more relaxed and playful expression. In today's tutorial, we'll make Sub-Zero look more chill than our Scorpion tutorial, so we can practice different facial expressions and body poses in our rubber hose style. Now draw the mask, covering the mouth, using smooth curves around the cheeks to keep everything soft and cartoony. Add the little whistling mouth shape underneath the mask. Cartoons are magical, so yes, we can somehow still see the mouth through the mask. If any part feels difficult, pause the video anytime and work at your own pace. Sketch the ear silhouette, partially hidden under the ninja hood, but still clearly visible through the outer shape. Now define the top of the head, keeping it rounded and smooth beneath the hood. Draw the neck and chin, tapering down toward the torso in a funny, exaggerated way. Our retro cartoon Sub-Zero is already looking super funny and full of personality, right? Sub-Zero is one of the most famous characters in the Mortal Kombat franchise. The name Sub-Zero comes from his ability to control ice and freezing temperatures. Let's build the body, with the hips pushed backward in a goofy pose. Add the blue shoulder pads from Sub-Zero's ninja outfit, large and simple for that retro animation feel. There have actually been two main Sub-Zeros in the series, Bi-Han and his younger brother, Kuai Liang. Kuai Liang became the most recognized version of Sub-Zero over the years. Sub-Zero belongs to the Lin Kuei, an ancient clan of assassins. The whole silhouette almost looks like a tilted number 6. All right, now we've got something. Draw the front and back tabard pieces, hanging loosely around the hips. Remember, the long, rubbery limbs are one of the most important parts of the rubber hose style. They literally look like flexible rubber tubes. Sketch the left leg, curving outward with a smooth, flowing line. Add the left boot, oversized and rounded in classic cartoon fashion. If you're enjoying this drawing, Don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our playlist with many other retro cartoon characters. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next in our rubber hose style? Now draw the right leg, bent so dramatically that it almost looks like Sub-Zero is riding an invisible horse. Add the right boot, stretched forward with a playful cartoon shape. His rivalry with Scorpion is one of the most iconic rivalries in fighting game history. Unlike Scorpion's fiery powers, Sub-Zero uses ice-based attacks and defensive techniques. Draw the left arm, forming an inverted C shape with smooth rubber hose curves. Add the left hand closed into a fist with simple retro glove details. The original Mortal Kombat game launched in 1992 and became famous for its digitized graphics and intense combat. Now, sketch the right arm, curving upward gracefully. Draw the right hand with the palm facing upward, almost like he's balancing an invisible tray. Sub-Zero appears in almost every main game in the franchise. Even though he looks intimidating, Sub-Zero often acts as one of the more honorable warriors in the Mortal Kombat universe. Now, let's draw a happy little snowball character floating above his hand. Poor thing, it has no idea it's about to be thrown by Sub-Zero. Add the snowball's happy eyes, complete with giant cartoon eyelashes for extra charm. Draw the big, smiling mouth on the snowball, making it look cheerful and adorable. For colors, use icy blues, black, white, and cool tones for Sub-Zero, and maybe avoid too much yellow. Scorpion probably wouldn't appreciate that very much. But of course, feel free to color your drawing however you like. And here's our Sub-Zero. Icy, goofy, and full of retro cartoon charm. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.